Okay, if A is a matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is order 3 cross 3. If a matrix A is of order 3 cross 3, if a matrix A is of order 3 cross 3, then its determinant is defined because it is a square matrix. So then determinant of A is written as determinant of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the expansion is given as, or the value can be found as, first you write on 1 here. Actually 1, before 1 we should write minus 1 raised to, we are expanding row wise. Actually we can expand this determinant in how many ways? 3 plus 3, 6 ways. 6 ways means 3 row ways and 3 in column ways. So first, just now I am showing how to find out row wise. So first row minus 1 raised to, this 1 is present in where? First row and first column. So we write 1 plus 1 into this 1, and you remove the row and the column in which this 1 is present. So 1 is present in first row and first column. So when we remove this, we will get what we are getting, the remaining part is this 5 6 8 9. So that you write in 2 order determinant 5 6 8 9. Then plus, again you write down minus 1 raised to, in which row, second element, in which row this 2 is present and in which column it is present. So it is present in first row and second column, first row and second column. Then write down 2, this element 2. Then you remove the row and the column in which this 2 is present. So first row and second column. So what is left? 4 6 7 9. So you write down here in 2 cross 2 order 4 6 7 9. Then plus, again you write down minus 1 raised to, this 3 is present in which row and column? First row and third column. So 1 plus 3, and you write down 3 also, 3, you write down 3 into, you remove the row and the column in which 3 is present, first row, third column. Write down the remaining part, that is 4 5 and 7 8. So that is equal to, you see, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that is 2. So minus 1 raised to even number is plus 1. So plus 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay, and expand this 5 9s are 5 into 9 minus 8 into 6. Expansion of 2 order determinant. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So minus 1 raised to odd number, minus 1 raised to odd number will be minus, and this 2. And expand this 4 9s are 4 into 9 minus 6 into 7 or 7 into 6, whatever you like. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, that is minus 1 raised to 4, that is even number. So minus 1 raised to even number is plus 3 as it is. Then 4 into 8 minus 7 into 5. Product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. Okay, so that is equal to, now see, 1 into 5 9s are 45 minus 8 6 are 48 minus 2 into 4 9s are 36 minus 6 7s are 42 plus 3 into 4 8s are 32 minus 7 5s are 35. Okay, so that is equal to 1 into 45 minus 48, how much? Minus 3, minus 2 into 36 minus 42 minus 6 plus 3 into 32 minus 35 minus 3. So that is equal to, we are getting 1 into minus 3, minus 3 minus minus plus 2 6 are 12 plus into minus minus 3 3 are 9. So that is equal to minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 plus 12. So that is equal to how much? 0. So we say this 0 is the value of the determinant of the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 3 cross 3 matrix. Is it clear? So this 0 is nothing but the value of the determinant of matrix A, where A is a matrix 3 cross 3 order, that is a square matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.